Hey everyone, welcome back to this week's episode of Friday Fabric Finds. Today is Friday, June the 20th. This is a little series where we like to go through the newsletter with you and then go out in person and show you everything hands-on. So without further ado, let's get right into this episode.
So first off, we're going to talk about a collection that we currently have on sale. This is the Timeless Treasures Berry Sweet collection. This is on sale, like I said, so it is irresistible as summer pie. It has the Let's Do Lunch Table Runner kits. Those are usually priced at $25.96, but we have them on sale for you at $19.96. Plus, there's 1 yard cuts at $9.96 each. The patterns for this collection do include stripes, strawberries, florals, and plaid in colors of red, pink, blue, and cream. So make sure to grab these deals on Berry Sweet while they're ripe for the picking.
Next, I want to highlight Cardinal Celebration from Wilmington. This is a very wintry kind of Christmas type group with the cardinal being the main print. This is featuring 5-inch squares. We have 10-inch squares, tote bag kits, Cardinal Celebration kits, the 24-inch panels, and also the full yardage of collection that goes with this. So you can expect patterns such as cardinals, poinsettias, berries, greenery, snowflakes, plaids, all in a color scheme of red, green, black, and cream. So if you're needing any of these types of fabrics for your next project, you can celebrate the beauty of the holiday season with Cardinal Celebration, So you can celebrate the beauty of the, I was about to say cardinal season. Celebrate the beauty of the, you can celebrate the beauty of, oh my.
You used all your energy towards that intro.
I did.
Cardinal Celebration, take 56.
Holiday season. Celebrate the beauty of the holiday season. You can go celebrate the beauty of the holiday season with Cardinal Celebration.
Alright, okay.
Nice, dude. Next collection we're going to talk about is a Halloween collection. It is Trick or Treat from Riley Blake. This is featuring 108 white quilt backing that is due to arrive in July, August area. 5-inch stackers, 10-inch stackers, the Just Kitten around quilt kits, as well as the full collection of yardage. There is a plethora of patterns in this collection featuring witches, scarecrows, ghosts, pumpkins, foliage, silhouettes, stripes, and dots in colors such as orange, purple, blue, cream, and black. So if this collection is something you're interested in, make some spine-tingling projects from Riley Blake. No, not from Riley Blake, from Trick or Treat.
You're so close.
Dang. Make some spine-tingling projects from Trick or Treat from Riley Blake.
Next up, I want to highlight Purrfect Christmas from Moda. This is an adorable collection. For this, we have the fat quarter bundles and the assorted yardage. As you expect, based off the name, the patterns in this, the main one is cats. There's also birds, presents, holly, and a snow town in a color scheme of blue, green, pink, and red. So if you need anything like this for your projects, you can get on Santa Pa's nice list with Purrfect Christmas.
Next collection we have is a very unique but also small collection like the last one we just talked about. It is the Amok collection from Northcott. This collection is featuring the Spotlight quilt kits as well as a 24-inch panel and the full collection of yardage. The patterns for this collection are the Grim Reaper, the Moon Through Branches, scythes, ghost spots, and textures in colors of red, black, brown, gray, and red. So make sure to run amok with Amok from Northcott.
Next up, I want to highlight a sale we have on a bundle. I pointed at the wrong thing. Next up, I want to highlight a sale we have on a bundle. It is called Peace and Plenty Fat Quarter Bundle, designed by Lori Holt for Riley Blake. It is a 48-piece fat quarter bundle, so it's quite large. I mean, you can see it here. It's pretty big. This is originally priced at $177.12. We have it on sale for $89.96. So if you're wanting this bundle, you can bloom into savings with the Peace and Plenty Fat Quarter Bundle.
Next thing we're going to talk about is a quilt kit that is a hot pre-order currently. It is the Highland Stars Quilt Kit. This is featuring Highland Home from Northcott. The kits are scheduled to ship between December and January of this year. The kits are priced at $128.96 each. For any of y'all country lovers, Texans out there, fellow Texans, y'all will probably love this quilt kit, so make sure to get your hands on it and make sure to get moving and pre-order the Highland Stars quilt kits before they're gone.
Next up, I want to highlight our 1 yard cuts. I know we've highlighted these the past few times, but these are going phenomenally. These are all of our pre-made 1 yard cuts, so they are already pre-cut into your 1 yard increments. But we do have all these on sale at $9.96. That is a steal compared to what you can normally get 1 yard cuts at. That being said, if you order 2 or 3, you are going to get 2 or 3 individual 1 yard cuts, but they're not going to be all together. So as I said, these are already pre-cut, ready for you to go, so there's no cutting board needed or anything. You can just grab them and go. So if you're interested in checking out any of our 1 yard cuts, you can buzz on over to our website and check out our 1 yard cuts.
Next, we're going to talk about our comment of the week. This is where we feature a comment from last week's show to read on this week's show. And this week we have Margaret Lavinia 4634. She says, thank you for starting out my Friday the 13th on a happy note. Great job, by the way. And Margaret, we just want to say, one, thank you for commenting. We very, very much appreciate it. You're welcome, Margaret. We're always going to be here every single Friday, continuing to show y'all new things we have in the shop. Please comment. Everybody else, please comment on the video so maybe you can be featured in the comment of the week. Continue to keep on watching, continue to keep on commenting. And Margaret, we just really, again, appreciate your comment.
And that's going to do it this week for this episode of Friday Fabric Finds. I want to thank you all so much for coming and checking out our videos. If you did enjoy this video, you can go hit that like button. There's also the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. As he just said a second ago, you can drop your comments down below so you might be featured in next week's video. Who knows? All of our socials will also be listed down below so you can go follow us there. But with that being said, I think that's going to do it this week. Thanks so much.
See ya.